Hi everyone and welcome to today's class. The topic is greetings and introductions. Listen and repeat. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello. Hi. Hey. Pleased to meet you. Nice to meet you. Glad to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. Thank you very much. Good to see you again. Goodbye. So long. See you later. Listen and repeat. First name. Last name. Phone number. Address. Email address. Job or profession. Where are you from? I'm from London. I'm English. You're from Moscow. You're Russian. He's from Cairo. He's Egyptian. She's from Tokyo. She's Japanese. We're from Guatemala. We're Guatemalan. They're from Sydney. They're Australian. Practice the conjugations for questions using the verb be. Am I from Wales? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Are you from Spain? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is he from Italy? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Are we from China? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Listen and repeat. Hello, my name is Alex Cross. My name is Paul Smith. Nice to meet you. Glad to meet you, Paul. Where are you from? I'm from New York. Where are you from? I'm from Manchester. Where is Paul from? Where is Alex from? Use personal information to complete the conversation. Hello, my name is. My name is. Nice to meet you. Glad to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from. Where are you from? Listen and repeat. Good morning, Mr. Hiroshi. Good morning, Helen. Mr. Hiroshi, this is Mr. Smith. Pleased to meet you, Mr. Smith. Glad to meet you, Mr. Hiroshi. Where are you from? I'm from South Korea. And you? I'm from England. Listen and repeat the different conversations. Hello, I'm John Thompson. Pleased to meet you, Mr. Thompson. My name is Toshio Tanaka. Nice to meet you, Mr. Tanaka. Hi, my name is Jane. What's your last name? My last name is Smith. Mr. Burton, this is Mr. Morales. Glad to meet you, Mr. Morales. What's your nationality? I'm Brazilian. Maria, this is Nancy. Hello, Maria. Hi, Nancy. Pleased to meet you. Complete the conversation with the expressions in the box. What's your name? My name is Mimi. What's is Sarah? What's your I'm and you? I'm French. Nice to meet you too. Goodbye. Match the expressions. The first one is done for you. Answer the questions using yes it is or no it isn't. For example, is her name Mary? No, it isn't. Answer the questions in negative or positive. For example, is she from Japan? No, she's not. Is she from China? Yes, she is. My name is John Smith. I'm from the United States. I'm American. My phone number is 452-1478. My address is 145 Pine Avenue. She is Veronica Rodriguez. She is from Spain. She is Spanish. Her phone number is 125-4558. Her address is 27 Gran Via. Comprehension practice. Where is John Smith from? What's his nationality? Where is Veronica from? What's her nationality? They are Jessica and Mary. They are from London. Their phone number is 789-1458. We are Julian and Martin. We are from New York. Our phone number is 747-2156. Where are Jessica and Mary from? What's their phone number? Where are Julian and Martin from? What is their phone number? Now, practice speaking about yourself using complete sentences. What's your name? Where are you from? Are you a doctor? Are you a student? What is your phone number? What is your address? Thanks for watching.